Hello everybody. Today, we're diving into an exciting analysis of the Cheesecake Factory's future growth prospects. We'll explore how much analysts are estimating this beloved restaurant chain to grow over the next few years. Specifically, we'll examine revenue growth and earnings per share growth. After that, I'll provide my own rating for the stock, whether it's a buy, sell, or hold, based on these numbers and my fair price to earnings multiple. To kick things off, I'm using Stock Unlock as my research tool. Let's get into the details. First up, analysts are projecting that Cheesecake Factory's revenue will reach $4.08 billion by 2026. This translates to an average annual revenue growth rate of 4.84%. When it comes to earnings per share, analysts expect EPS to hit $4.14 in 2026, which represents an impressive annual growth rate of 16.3%. This kind of growth is quite promising for potential investors. Now, let's talk about the stock price. As of today, Cheesecake Factory's stock is priced at $49. If you buy the stock today, you're essentially paying a PE multiple of 11.8 based on the projected 2026 earnings. In my opinion, this is quite a bargain for a company expected to experience such rapid earnings growth over the next few years. I believe a more reasonable PE multiple for 2026 would be around 18. So, if we take the projected EPS of $4.14 and multiply it by 18, we get a potential stock price of $75. This means we could expect a return of 53% if these assumptions hold true. That's a compounded annual growth rate of 15%. Additionally, Cheesecake Factory is currently paying a dividend of 2.19% annually, which adds even more value for investors. Given these expectations, I would rate Cheesecake Factory as a buy. Just a quick note, I do not own shares of Cheesecake Factory at the moment. If you enjoyed this analysis and want to see more content like this, please remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Feel free to comment below on which stock you'd like me to analyze next. Also, let me know if you own shares or if you're planning to buy. Remember, always do your own due diligence and don't take this as direct investment advice, consider it inspiration for your own research. Thank you for watching, and happy investing. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. See you next time.